Hi students, how are you? I am your English teacher Yamaraire. I am feeling very fresh now because I had tea just before 2 minutes. As you know that tea is an energy drink. It has medicinal use. So now I am going to teach you the story of tea, which is the fourth part of first unit of your course book. Before learning this story, I want you to ask some questions related to tea. Write these questions into your classwork notebook and try to write answers of them. The questions I am going to ask are given in your course book on page number 17. The questions are: can you make tea? How do you make tea? What brand do you like? At home, who makes tea or coffee for every day? Have you seen a tea plantation? What was it like? Now the another thing you have to write in your classwork notebook. Take help of your mother or your elder sister or grandmother and write the process of making tea in a step by step manner. Write this in only 5 minutes. Let's see the actual lesson, the story of the tea. You know that tea is the most widely consumed and most popular beverage in the world. This story can be divided into different parts as botanical name of tea, required things to grow tea plants, classification of tea according to the leaf size, tea growing regions in India, content of tea, origin of tea, how did this magical beverage get its name, history of tea in India, advantages of having tea, religious significance of tea. Tea is the token of hospitality in India. In this way, these, this story can be studied by learning these all topics one by one. Now, in today's session, we will learn some of the initial parts of the story. Many people like to begin their day with tea, the fresh, aromatic brew. Tea has a refreshing astringent flavor. It is actually made by brewing, that is, by infusing in boiling water the leaves and shoots of the plant, whose botanical name is the Camellia sinensis. The leaves are at first dried, cured, and processed before they are packed and sold to us. Tea plant means Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant. It grows in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea plants require at least 100 to 125 centimeter of rainfall a year and prefer acidic soils. Many of the world's tea estates are located on hill slopes at elevations of up to 1500 meters. When the plants mature, only the top 1 to 2 inches of the plant are picked. They are called flushes. A new flush appears on the plant every 7 or 10 days during the peak growing season. For easy plunking of the leaves, the plants are kept at a height of about 3 feet. The teas are classified according to their leaf size. The largest size of leaves is found in Assam type of tea, whereas the smallest leaves are found in China type, and the leaves of intermediate means medium size are found in Kambo type. In some parts of India, the best tea estates are found especially in eastern states of India. They are in large amount, but some of the regions are famous for the special type of tea it produces, which are unique in taste, aroma, strength, and flavor. They are mainly three in number. They are Darjeeling in northeastern India, Assam in far northeast India, and Nilgiris in South India. In this way, in this story, the lot of information related to tea is given. The remaining part of the story of tea we will learn in another session. Have a nice day. Thank you.